We're at the BP Car Washing. We're...
Do you know where you're at? You're in Woodhaven.
In Woodhaven. Top brushes and everything.
We got top brushes and everything. It's a Mark 7.
Mark 7. Let's go to this car wash. Stop at the stop sign after, okay?
It has the wheel scrubber too.
Stop at the stop sign, okay?
Yeah.
Will you?
Yeah.
You will? Promise?
Promise.
Stop at the stop sign, okay?
Okay.
Stop at the stop sign. Slow down. Stop. Stop. Park. Would that scare you?
Yeah. Wow.
You know, switch yours or a switch? No switch on this one?
It's
High pressure pre-soak. High pressure pre-soak, is it?
yes.
High pressure pre-soak? That's kind of weird.
Yeah. That's definitely weird.
I think we're starting out with dry foam, I believe. Or dribble foam.
Did they?
Start out with
They started out with triple.
dribble foam.
Oh, look!
Triple foam.
Blueberries, bananas,
Different.
strawberries, everything.
Keep your wipers off.
Keep your wipers off.
Look what?
And
Look, Daddy!
what? Whoa!
Look at those brushes!
Look at the brushes.
Look! What was it? Was this a very good one?
Yeah. Oh my.
Good. Glad to be... Are you doing your tires? Ready?
Yep.
Alright, can you see them?
Barely.
Are you doing them?
Not yet. No.
I can. Are you gonna do your other wheels too?
Yeah.
Can we look at the view after?
Well, we'll see. Okay.
Oh, look, Daddy!
Oh my.
Doing it good.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's a red. What's happening?
No.
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening, Daddy? I landed in Burke, right?
Whoa.
Landed in Burke?
What's happening?
It's doing my side wheels, I saw. Look,
Is it?
look. Look, Daddy.
I feel it.
I can feel it.
Yeah.
Do you? Will they do the passenger side again or no? Battery already!
No.
I doubt it for the passenger side again, or is it?
I doubt it.
Now it's doing the passenger side again! Colors again! Look! Is it colors? Is it a little bit of rinse?
I think it's a rinse.
No more brushes again? Or are they gonna...
Well, I don't know.
Nope.
Wow.
Are they doing your wheels? Or they stopped?
They stopped. Did they?
What's that? No more doing this again, right?
Well, I don't know.
And we'll see.
Well, not today.
on next Saturday?
Yeah. Yeah, if you want to, we will.
I do.
You like the Mark 7?
I do like this one.
This is the Mark 7 machine.
Can we look at the view after it? There is dryers on top. Look.
Yeah.
How many is there?
Well, looks like 2 big ones. 2 big ones. Maybe 4.
Do not go. There already is dryers on top.
Yeah.
See? It's still moving.
Okay, we don't have to move. It moves.
Right?
Yeah.
Edgar says drive ahead. Then go.
Right.
Edgar says drive ahead, okay?
Okay.
But not yet.
Not yet.
It's still showing stop. Goodness, whatever.
Yeah, it's a good car wash.
I think 2 are free. 2 dryers only. 0? Was it a long wash?
Yeah, it was actually pretty long. Wow, it does a good job drying.
I will watch it on the camera. Blinking! That means go. Hurry. Did you hear it say beep, beep, beep? I do know what that means.
What?
Look at the view, Daddy. Good idea?
Well, there's nobody going in there.